demonstrated the importance of software for them with the launch of the Sony Xperia XZ1, the first non-pixel mobile to include Android Oreo from the factory. Today, Sony announces the update of its high-end 2016, giving a good lesson to other manufacturers on how to update. Good news for its owners, and a touch of attention that should make us see that it is possible to update a high range last year. The Xperia X and X Compact were Sony's proposal for the high range in 2016. Two terminals that were not very successful, but whose support they have not wanted to neglect. As we can read in XperiaBlog, Sony Xperia X are receiving Android 8.0 via OTA, so within a few days, all devices will be updated to one of the latest versions of Android. We return to emphasize that it is 2016 mobile, and that terminals launched in 2017 from other traditional firms that we all know, are still in Android 7.0. Sony's efforts to maintain a clean and up-to-date ROM are something we would like to see more often, and it is practically anecdotal to see an OEM update this well.